Rakes, shovels, brooms, and bags. All these tools are on loan from the D.C. Department of Public Works. It's part of a city program called Helping Hand.
It's wonderful. It works really well. All I have to do is fax in a form. I get a phone call. They say, when do you want us there? And they deliver the tools and the resources that we need.
We're gonna make up some flowers.
You're gonna make some flowers?
The Mount Vernon Square Neighborhood Association has been staging cleanup rallies like this one for more than 30 years.
We used to have, after our cleanups on this corner, we would have mounds higher than this sign right here. That's how much garbage, but we've come a long way. So now we can really kind of look at beautifying the neighborhood.
Neighborhood litter and graffiti are like a magnet for more of the same. Trash begets trash. If the neighborhood doesn't clean it up, the problem gets worse. Here's just one example. An old stove and refrigerator have been illegally dumped in a nearby alley, and so Lydia calls 311.
Yes, I'm calling for a bulk trash pickup. It's actually in the alley off of Ridge Street, 4th and Ridge Street Northwest.
311 is a toll-free number for people in the district to request city services and information. Whoever dumped these appliances here could have called 311, but Lydia makes the call herself. She doesn't want more debris piling up.
Do you have any idea when it'll be picked up? Okay, 10 days. Thank you. The sooner the better, because, you know, in an alley, once you leave garbage, you know, a refrigerator, and it's a refrigerator and a stove, you know, we get more. Okay, thank you.
Everyone here, kids and adults, is a neighbor and a volunteer. And with all these hands, the work goes quickly.
And it feels like really good once we finish the job in the neighborhood, because like it just looks a lot nicer than when you started off.
Trash brings more trash, but the opposite is also true. In a litter-free neighborhood, people tend to keep it that way. This neighborhood is proof.
Are you planting flowers, cleaning our environment? Thank you.
One thing about a clean community is that there isn't as much trash that's deposited in the first place, because people sort of know that that's not accepted. And so, you know, it's sort of a self-fulfilling prophecy that if you have a clean neighborhood, there's not as much trash that's likely to get there.
Meanwhile, the cleanup is almost over. Mulch has been spread, flowers planted, and all these bags are now full of what used to be litter. A truck from the Department of Public Works will come by to pick up the trash and to collect the tools so they can be used by another neighborhood trying to clean up.
There are a lot of us, and if we all pitch in a little bit, then I'll get the job done. And it's just nice to see a lot of people helping out around here.
And that's why they call the program a helping hand.